Hey guys, welcome back to Shoney Small Engines. Jed here. I have this Husqvarna in. Came in for some repairs. One thing that the main complaint that I'm going to show you in this video is a wheel that makes a lot of grinding and skipping noises. I already diagnosed this. This side's good. It's only going to be this side we're doing today, but I'll show you what's going on here and the parts needed to replace it and fix it. So first thing I got to do, the 9/16 nut on here. Let's get the wheel off. I'll show you exactly what's going on. Let's pull this wheel off. And here you can see on the wheel, the two broken teeth on the gear here. I tried to find this gear, can't find it anywhere, so this is going to be a full wheel replacement. Maybe in the future I can, keep this wheel and maybe have another burned out gear that I can replace. But for now, what we're doing is replacing the whole thing. So besides just the wheel, we also have a broken tooth here on the gear. So we got to replace this drive gear and the whole wheel to fix this problem. So this is just a circlip. We're going to pop off, slide that out, put the new one on. We'll use a little screwdriver here just to kind of open it up. Watch your eyes when you're doing this. Okay. There's our C-clamp. There's our little retaining clip. And here's our replacement part. So this one has these little latches in here, these little grooves in here to hold this pin here. Make sure that doesn't fall out. Don't lose that. And let's get the new one. I'll show you the part number and put that one back on. All right, this is just an aftermarket part. I'll put a link in the description. It has the same grooves as the one before, brand new gears. So we'll slide that one right back on. Put our clip back on. Just watch your eyes when you're doing this. And here's our replacement wheels. I'll show you the link to get these guys as well, and check that out in the description. Make sure your axle's nice and clean. Put that on and get our nut again. And that's all there is to it. Nice and smooth now. All right, so I'm gonna just the kit with the wheels comes with two, so I'm gonna replace this one right away since it comes with two. I'll save this one for a future job if I need one. But otherwise, I'm doing a bunch of other stuff in this machine. Got any questions, hit me up in the comments. Check out some other content there, and catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.